Every day, thousands of companies worldwide face a similar challenge: onboarding new employees, training and evaluating existing personnel. They are constantly striving to make this process as efficient as possible to reduce costs and speed things up. Our solution aims to automate routine yet impactful processes, making them smarter, faster, and personalized, providing each employee with a sense of care. This approach works for any structured learning program, from corporate compliance to education courses, where theoretical knowledge must be combined with practical assessments to measure comprehension. We leverage an AI-powered learning agent to transform the training journey into an interactive and personalized experience. Whether your organization has 10,000 or 5,000 attendees for training, our AI agent can take care of them all. Imagine you select a model. It could be cybersecurity, workplace safety, or sexual harassment prevention training, and start learning. The content is presented in structured lessons. After going through them, you take an assessment to test your understanding. If you need, you can retake the quiz until you master the material. You can also revisit completed models anytime to refresh your knowledge. But what makes it different from every other solution out there is how you interact with it. The learning agent is not just a static platform. You can talk to it naturally, ask questions about the topic, clarify doubts, and explore related concepts in real time. And when you need help, the system doesn't leave you stuck. It offers instant context-aware chat support, so you are never lost during the training. Under the hood, here's what makes it all work. The learning agent is a combination of an RVC-based conversational agent and a synchronized user interface that hosts your training materials. When you open a model on the UI, an event is sent to the agent flow. This event updates the agent's context so it knows exactly which model you are working on. From that moment, the agent can answer your question with precision because it understands the scope of your current learning. Now, let's take the assessment process as an example. When you start a quiz by clicking Start Assessment or Retake Quiz, the UI sends a start event to the flow. At this point, the content area locks automatically to prevent cheating, and the entire assessment happens in the chat interface with the agent. Each question and answer is captured in real time. When you finish the last question, the flow sends a completion event back to the UI. This triggers the system to unlock the content area so you can continue your learning journey. But here is where the architecture shines. That completion events isn't just one way. It includes a callback mechanism, so when the UI finishes calculating the user's final score and determining pass or fail, it sends that result back to the flow. This way, the agent's memory is updated immediately. Why is this important? Because instead of making multiple database queries at every step, we do it once at the right time. That means faster performance, less risk of desynchronization, and a smoother experience for the learner.
Now let's move on how this is implemented in the flow. As soon as the user interacts with something on the UI, a trigger is fired for corresponding global command. For example, when a user clicks the Start Module button, the global command update user progress is executed. This command receives the updated user progress with the status set to in progress for the module that was launched, as well as the data about that opened module. We then updated the agent context in order to it knows about module is currently open and has all the necessary details about it. The next step is to execute send message action, which sends a nicely formatted message to the chat, notifying the user that the module has been opened. At the same time, a more detailed message about the action performed is sent to the agent. This send message action takes place within the active request response step, ensuring the message is delivered to the agent then immediately. A similar process occurs when the user chooses to start an assessment or retake a quiz. In this case, agent gather all the answers from the user via dialog branch. Then it trigger completed module action, which sends an event to the UI, indicated that assessment is finished. This allows to calculate the user score, and if the score is sufficient, mark the module as completed in database. This event uses a callback mechanism, so we wait for the result before proceeding. Once we receive a response from the UI, we updated the agent context accordingly and forward this information to the agent, which then informs the user of their success or failed. All of these interactions, model selection, progress tracking, assessment callbacks, works together in a tightly integrated system that keeps both the UI and the agent fully aware of what's happening at every moment. That is how we built a solution that is not just smart, but also technically robust and scalable. In short, the learning agent isn't just another training tool, it's a carefully engineered system designed to make learning intuitive for the user and efficient for the organization.